Hey, I'm Billy Bob here with
Farouk.
and we're here supporting our newest cough medicine. Do not cough or I'll smack you in the face, huh? What do you have to say about it, Farouk?
This really works. You just take it, you open it, and you put it in the spoon, and you eat it. And it makes your cold and flu symptoms relax.
I've been in the telemarketing business for, 25 years or something like that.
That is older than my grandfather.
Thank you, Farouk. And now, every now and then, I start to lose my voice. But I just take some of this here done cough or smack you in the face, and it doesn't make me cough. It is such an amazing product.
It can even change your accent.
And your life. And your life. So if you want some of this amazing stuff, call 951-834-6038 right now.
Or you can dial 951-306-9760 if you really want results.
And we will even throw in a free Resolve, a free Stater Brothers water, a free Terrorize Your Pain Away, a free Germex, and a second NyQuil.
A $19 value.
Remember, 951-834-6038 or
306-9760.
thank you.